Okay guys, today I'm going to do a video in the rain at Capalaba Skate Park. So look at how drenched and slippery it is. Like, look at all of that. Like, look up there on the ledges. I'm going to trick up this bank and wait till you see the bowl. The bowl is messed up. There's even a shopping trolley in there, see? Look around there. Like, all of this bowl is like a swimming pool. Well, not really, but in this video, I'm going to attempt tricks like double whips up this slippery bank. I'll show you how it's slippery. Whoa! But feel how slippery that is. Oh wait, you can't feel it. But I'll prove that it's slippery. I'm gonna prove my point. See? And that proves my point even more. I just landed on my butt. And by the way, I don't really care about the hate comments. I'm just gonna get with this. Hopefully you like this video. And comment tricks that you want me to do next time I do riding in the rain. Okay, so I'm setting you up here. Okay, I'm getting ready for this. First, I'll double whip up the bank. My God, it's so scary. So scary. Let's try. I'll do a whip first. Okay, that was too easy. This time, I'm gonna jump up, and then I'm literally just gonna go skidding along like that. It didn't take me very far. Okay, I'll 360 the bank. No, I might 180 it first. Whoa! Yeah, I'm not 360ing up that again. That was one big step. What the? Oh! Oh! My death bend's there. Look at that. It bent. I don't know if you can see, but it bent like a lot on both sides. Oh God. And I'm not sure if my scooter's dialed anymore. Oh, bro. My brake. Oh. Oh well. I'll just do a double whip up the bank. Okay, I might have to end this video here because my back's starting to hurt a little bit and I'm gonna keep stacking like so much. But I'll quickly do a power fly drop. No, I'm not gonna do a power fly drop, but I might try and do a hang 5. Hopefully you can see it. Oh wait, I'm doing a bigger one. Ah! Okay, ready? Oh, that was pretty long. Finally was on the camera. Okay. Now I'll do a manual and then I'll do a one-hand manual. Drop. Oh, I just did that 360 out of the bank. Okay, one-hand manual. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a 360 out of the bank again. Okay. Ready? Okay. Now I'm going to have to end the video here. Okay, like and subscribe, please, and like and subscribe to the arcade and the Funk Bros and all the good stuff for all the famous people out there. And shoot the like.